Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Chevrolet Equinox key fob. First, gather your materials. You will need one new CR2032 3-volt coin battery. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver or the emergency key from your fob. This simple replacement process usually takes less than 5 minutes to complete, getting you back on the road quickly. Now, let's open your key fob. Begin by locating the small silver or black release button on the side of the fob. Press this button firmly and then slide out the internal emergency key. Once the emergency key is removed, insert its tip or a small flathead screwdriver into the slot where the key was. Gently twist to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Carefully pry out the old, depleted CR2032 battery using your fingernail or the small screwdriver. Pay attention to its orientation. For most models, the positive side faces down. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the holder, ensuring the positive side is facing down to ensure proper function. Almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Gently press them together until you hear or feel them snap securely shut. Next, slide the emergency key back into its designated slot until it clicks firmly into place. Finally, test your key fob by standing near your vehicle and pressing the lock and unlock buttons to confirm it is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.